Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again with another video. In today's video, it is Vlogmas day 14. Oh my god, 14 days in, guys. And in today's video, I will be doing a Bath and Body Works haul. Okay, guys. Yesterday, I'm actually filming on the 13th for today's video, but yesterday was the $5.95 sale at Bath and Body Works, and it was a sale on all body care items. So my friend who works at the mall that's not having lockdown got all my items that I needed, and the stuff that I bought, they're mostly Christmas gifts, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I got from the $5.95 sale. If you guys want to see what I got, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna jump right into this haul. So it's a bunch of goodies. I got about 15 items, and mind you that there's a lot of repetitive items because I know what scent specific people like, and yeah, I bought them gifts. So let's just start with aromatherapy. Guys, this is aromatherapy. This is the Sleep Lavender Vanilla body lotion. Cream, actually. I got this for myself because I want to feel nice and cozy before I go to sleep. I have sleeping problems, so this shall help. Along with that, I got the Sleep Lavender Vanilla Aromatherapy body wash and foam bath. I do not take baths, so I will take a shower with this if I, shower before I go to sleep or so. It does recommend that. I got the Sleep Cedarwood and Vanilla Pillow and Body Mist. That is what I got. And they never had the sleep spray for this flavor, so I just got the next best thing, which would have been cedarwood and vanilla. So got that. And I got Twisted Peppermint. Oh my god, guys, this scent smells so friggin' nice. Like, yo, I sprayed it on my hand right here, and it's just like it's like a candy cane, but it's like sweet at the same time. Like, it's wearable. Like, it doesn't smell like mint tea, like you're gonna walk around and smell like mint tea. Like, no, like this smells really good. So I got that as well for myself. And then, guys, the best scent around this time, Vanilla Bean. Guys, you guys can't tell me nothing. Vanilla Bean, I love this scent around this time. Like, this is my all-time favorite Christmas scent. So I got Vanilla Bean lotion, and that is what I got for myself. So that is what I got for myself on a whole. So now this is gifts that I got for people. So I'm just gonna continue with the Vanilla Bean stuff. I got the Vanilla Bean body spray, body mist, and guys, for $5.95 each, like, this is a steal. Like, this stuff goes for like, this is about, I think, $15 Canadian, and lotions are about like $13.50 or so. So guys, it's a steal. That was a steal. And I got another lotion, the same Vanilla Bean lotion. And then next, Winter Candy Apple. Oh my god, I love this scent. Like, I should have got one for myself. Like, guys, this scent smells so like refreshing and nice, and oh god, it smells so nice. I also got the spray with that as well. Yes, guys. And then I also got another Winter Candy Apple. I told you guys it's gonna be repetitive. I got spray and the lotion. Ooh. Guys, these make wonderful gifts. Like, honestly, I don't know who doesn't like receiving gifts from Bath and Body Works. I mean, I love receiving gifts from Bath and Body Works because, I don't know, I just love smelling good. I just love smelling fresh and, nice. And girls, Bath and Body Works is the ish. I love it as gifts. And then our last scent that I got was Sweet Pea. This is a nice, light, refreshing. It has like a floral scent to it. I really enjoy this scent. It's really nice and pleasant. Sweet Pea, and that is the body lotion. And I also got another set of it as gifts. Guys, like, yeah, that is 15 items that I did got. And yes, I have 3 receipts because when my friend bought this for me, the cashier actually, because she wanted us to get discounts on 2 transactions because they have a $10 off, she did them separately. So in total, I was actually supposed to spend $100 flat, but instead I ended up spending around $78. So guys, like, any amount of dollars off, like, that's a steal. And sorry, That's with the discount. So this is with further discount, with a $10 off now, again on top of the $5.95 discount. I got it for $78. So without that $10 off, I would have paid $100 flat. But in total, I know that this would be about like, call it $300 or so, because each item here, like the sprays are like about $14.95, and then the lotions are about $13.50, I believe. And then like the aromatherapy stuff, they're even more. They're like $15 or $17. So guys, I'm telling you, that is a steal, guys. That was a steal. And then they gave me a few gift bags so I can like wrap my little gift items in it. So I'm excited for that. And then they gave me this big huge bag, which is a reusable bag, which guys, I can just put my hair products or whatever I need to in here. So guys, that is it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure you share it with no mother, no father, no sister, no brother, no everybody, yeah? And stay tuned for the next video, which will be Vlogmas Day 15. Thank you, guys.